What's up guys, Benji Hieronimo here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so I'm back to the Philippines. Yes, you're right. So I just arrived at the place called Belmont Hotel. So this will be my quarantine hotel for, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 days. So guys, so far napaka-smooth naman ng naging process mula sa pag-alis namin sa Dubai International Airport hanggang sa pagdating namin dito sa Philippines. Naging smooth naman lahat, and I think OWA did very well. Like they did very good job in organizing everything for the returning OFWs. They provided everything. They provided the hotel, they provided the transportation, also their food, and I heard that those OFWs na uuwi pa sa kanilang mga probinsya ay ipoprovide din ng OWA ang kanilang mga ticket. So, very good talaga ang ating gobyerno sa kanilang service about that. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang kwartong ibinigay sa amin ng OWA. So, kararating lang namin dito sa hotel and I will show you guys kung ano ang itsura ng quarantine facility for OFWs, guys. Such a beautiful room here at Belmont Hotel, Newport City, just opposite of International Airport Terminal 3. It's very nice. I really love this, and you can see it's very comfortable and looks so clean. We would like to thank the services and efforts of OWA for OFWs. As you can see, from the airport to here in the hotel, everything goes so smoothly. So, congratulations OWA, and thank you so much for all your help to all the overseas Filipino workers.
Kung ano ang ulam na bigay ni OWA sa atin for today. Yan, dinadala to sa labas ng pintuan ng room mo. And ang ulam natin today ay tanan! So meron tayong isang rice, meron tayong, I think this is fish fillet, and may gulay na may tofu or tokwa. Let's go and enjoy this dinner. I'll see you again later.
2,000 years later.
So I actually received my PCR test result already, and I'm about to leave the hotel. Thank you so much, OWA and Belmont Hotel, for hosting us and for accommodating us here at your hotel. And yeah, I'm about to leave the hotel and I will join my family starting today.